So this is our WordPress form builder. So when you hit here, this all form is showing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So add a new form. So full page is this. You can email subject, you can set field none, notification, put your email, and if you're ready, the submit from label button, show message. When submit, show message, so redirect, click redirect URL. You need to put file into redirect. So this is simple. Already we have 10 template. Just click and automatically show full template showing to you. So all option is showing here. You can other option and so simple system, and just publish and use the shortcode, and use this shortcode in your page or post any types there you need. Where you need, you can use the shortcode. So automatically form will be show here. Very easy, simple system, and completely free. All option you can check, or all option is completely free. Heading, indent button, color, file upload, time, date, content checkbox, radio drop down, long text, number, website URL, phone, email, full name, short text, everything what you need.